So I'm doing a quick companion video to the other videos that you see linked here. And this focuses on the Cielo Breez Plus. So I've installed mini split air conditioning systems in my office where I am right now and in my bedroom. And they're great, and you can use a old school manual remote control to be able to turn it on, turn it off, change your temperatures, things of that nature, but it doesn't allow for automation, scheduling, things of that nature. So the solution to that is to use a interface device that helps make your system smart, right? And it integrates with the Amazon Echo devices. I'm not going to say her real word because it's going to wake her up in a second. But it also works with Google Assistant. But it's basically giving you an interface between a Wi-Fi environment and an infrared environment. So the AC systems use infrared to communicate, like the remote control. And the Cielo Breez and the Cielo Breez Plus will take a Wi-Fi command from your smart devices and translate that to an infrared signal to turn on your air conditioning heating system, right? And in this case, I'm talking about the mini splits. I do know that Cielo works with a number of other systems that create that interface to an infrared signal, but we're going to talk about schedules and manually controlling my AC unit, which translates to lower operation costs, right? Electricity uses. If you turn something on manually, you have to turn it off manually. And with the Cielo Breez Plus, I'm able to set comfort ranges. So I can say, I want to keep my space between 68 degrees and 75 degrees. If it drops below 68 degrees, automatically turn on the heat. If it goes above 75 degrees, automatically turn on the AC side of it, right? So that really allows me to manage a comfortable temperature range or humidity range. In this case, I'm in Colorado, so I'm more interested in temperature. And the Cielo Breez Plus allows me to do that. Cielo Breez itself is the original unit that they made, and it works really good too, but it doesn't have the comfy ranges. I like the idea of having the comfort ranges. So the Cielo Breez Plus, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on using a command, a voice command, and that will be done like this. Alexa, turn on the office AC.
Okay.
You saw that the Cielo Breez Plus came online, and it has just sent that signal over via infrared to my head unit, which is now coming online, and that's what that beep was that you heard. And we're in action. So I was able to use my voice, and I'm going to tell her to stop listening to me. I was able to use my voice to control my system, but I can also use my smart devices, iPhone, Android, tablets, whatever, so that you can create those schedules of operation or those comfort ranges that is available in the Cielo app, right? So I set comfort ranges as I described earlier, but I can also set schedules if I want to get away from turning that system on when I'm not in it, in the space. So I highly recommend the Breez Plus as an upgrade. The Cielo Breez typically comes with the Perfect Air mini split systems, but I upgraded to the Cielo Breez Plus because I like that additional automation when it comes to setting comfort ranges. Very easy to set up. You download the app, and once the app's installed, you run the app. It does an automatic walkthrough for configuring your Breez Plus and getting it configured to your specific device. It takes a couple minutes, and from that point on, it's just a matter of setting your personal preferences for schedule or comfort or the things that matter to you when it comes to using the air conditioner in your space. So if there's any questions, hit me up in the comments. But I've been really happy with the units. The only thing to point out is that there is an infrared signal going to your device and it has a limited range. In my case, I'm stretching the limits because my head unit's about 20 feet away. Just be mindful of that when you go to set up your space. So thanks for listening.